Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan and we're going to be learning a brand new line dance called Build Me a Man. This one was choreographed for Tori Dark and her song Build Me a Man. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance. It has one restart and one tag that you're going to do twice. This dance was choreographed by myself and we're going to get into it now. So before we jump into this tutorial, it is important to know that when you start this dance to music, you're going to be starting facing your rear wall. So if we use a clock face to determine our walls, if this is my 12 o'clock wall or front wall, you then have your 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock wall. This dance will start with the music facing your 6 o'clock or rear wall. I'm going to teach you this dance with my back facing to you so you can actually follow along with those steps. So let me turn around and show you how this dance is done. From the beginning, you're going to start the first set of 8. You're going to start with your weight on your left. You're going to do a heel switch from the right to the left to the right. You're going to clap. You're going to do 2 hip bumps pushing forward to that right and then back to that left, and that will be slightly on the angle on your 45. So with your heels, you're going to go right heel, bring it together left heel, bring it together right heel, clap. You're going to push your hips right, right, and left, left. Let's do that again just with a count. You're going to go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on to the next section, you're going to do a rock forward recover. You're going to shuffle to the right side, turning a quarter turn to your right. Then you're going to do a heel grind with your left, stepping back onto your right into a left coaster step. Sounds like a lot, but let's break it down into the small steps. First of all, you're going to step forward on that right. You're going to recover the weight back onto the left. You're going to shuffle, which is stepping your feet right, left, right, but as you travel to your right, turning to your right, right, left, right. You're now going to do a heel grind, which is moving your left foot across your right. You're going to grind your heel into the ground. So you're going to go grind. And as you do, you're going to turn a quarter turn back to your left here to bring you back to your 12 o'clock or front wall and step onto that right. And then you're going to coaster step, which is stepping back together forward. So remember, this is YouTube. You can go back and replay these sections as slow as you want or as often as you want. Let's do that last section again with a count. We're going to rock forward. We're going to go rock, recover, shuffle to the side, quarter grind, step, coaster, step. Once more, I said we're going to do it with a count and I did it with a call, but we're going to do it with a count this time. Rocking forward, you've come out of those hips. You're going to rock forward. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The next set of 8 from here, we're going to do a right kick ball change. You're going to stomp forward with that right, stomp the left to the side. You're going to go into a sailor step with the right and a sailor step with the left. So what that's going to look like, kick ball change with the right foot. You're going to kick that right foot forward. You're going to step the right in place and then step the left in place. So that's your ball change part. You're going to stomp forward with that right, stomp that left to the side. You're going to sailor step with that right foot, which goes behind, side, recover. And you're going to do the same with the left, behind, side, recover. So that is your 8 counts. Let's do that again with a count this time. Right foot kick ball change. So it goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Our last set of 8. From here, we're going to moving behind with that right leg, turning a quarter turn to your left, stepping on your left. Take a half pivot with your right, moving forward, right, left, doing a full turn, turning over your left shoulder, and then stomp your right, stomp your left. So again, what we're going to do is go behind with that right, step the left to the quarter side. You're going to step that right foot forward or touch it forward. You're going to push yourself around a half turn and then you're going to walk forward, right, left. So you're going to be traveling in a forward motion, turning over your left shoulder. So you're going to go right, left, and you're going to stomp the right, stomp the left. End of dance. You're now going to repeat that pattern facing your new wall. So facing the front, let's just do that last section of 8 again with a count. We're going to go behind. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the full dance, all broken down into each little section. We're going to go back through that all again with a call, and then we'll do it once more with a count. So facing your 12 o'clock wall. Again, remember that when this music starts, you will be facing your 6 o'clock wall or re-wall to commence the dance. So we're now just going to go through the dance with a call from the very beginning right to the end. Weight is on our left, commencing forward, 7, and right heel, left, right, clap, double hip forward, double hip back, rock, recover, quarter side shuffle, heel grind quarter, coaster step, right kick for change, stomp, stomp, right sailor step, left sailor step, step behind, quarter, half, pivot, right, left, stomp, stomp. You're ready to start the dance again with your heels. Let's do it once more, facing the front with a count. Weights on our left, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance, and we start again. Now, as mentioned, there will be 2 tags. Both of them are the same 8 counts. The first one will happen at the end of wall 2, and the second one will happen at the end of wall 6. There is also one restart which will happen in between that, but we're going to go over this tag first. I'm going to show you this tag facing the front, so if you do start this dance facing the rear wall, so your 6 o'clock wall, when you get to do the first tag at the end of wall 2, you will actually be facing your home wall, being your front, at 12 o'clock. So, turning around, you'll finish the dance, you've stomped your right, you've stomped your left. What you're going to do from here is moving on to the angle at that right 45, you're going to do a half pivot with your right, a slow half pivot over 4 counts. You're going to then do another half turn, stepping and dragging with over another 4 counts, but we've got some hand movements to add in with that. So with this first part, you're going to stepping forward with that right, you're going to go down, you're going to bend into this, and you're going to sweep your right arm around. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, bringing yourself back up. Then from here, you're going to step forward on that right as you start your half turn over your left shoulder. You're going to drag your left to your right to meet it, which means you're going, and then you're going to explode your hands from your head. So you're going to go out from there like that. Over 4 counts, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that tag again, from the beginning, you've just done your stomp, stomp to finish the dance. You're going to step on that right, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the reason we explode from the head is in the song, the lyrics will be the word dream. So you're dreaming up a man from your head. The second time you do the tag at the end of wall 6, you will do, the word is soul, so you're going to explode from your chest. The steps are exactly the same though. It is a slow half pivot with a slow half turn drag. Now, the restart for this dance will be during wall 4 after count 24. So if we count our walls around, and again, remember, you're going to be starting facing your rear wall. So that is going to be rear wall 1. Wall 2 will be facing your side wall here, which is technically your 9 o'clock. Wall 3 will be facing the front. Before you commence wall 3, you will do your tag. You will then do wall 3, moving into wall 4, which is your side wall. Let's go through those 24 counts. It is after the right sailor and left sailor step that you will restart the dance. So facing your side wall, which is from your front, it will be your 3 o'clock wall. Right heel, left heel from the beginning, 7. And you go heel and heel and heel, clap, hip, hip and hip, hip. Rock, recover, quarter side shuffle, heel grind quarter, coaster step, kickboard change, stomp, stomp, right sailor, left sailor, restart the dance, heel and heel and heel, clap. So that then commences wall 4. You then restart the dance, which brings you to wall 5. You then complete wall 6. At the end of wall 6, you will then do the second tag. From there, you'll just continue to dance out until the end of the music. I would love to see everybody doing this dance, and I want to see what videos you create. So please remember to tag tropical.boots on all your social media, or send me an email with telling me that you've taught this dance at your local classes or that you're doing it in your area. I would love to see where people are doing this dance. Thank you, have a great one, and I'll see you in the next video.